in Bethlehem. They knocked on every door in the town, looking for a place to stay. But there was no room anywhere.
Please, help! My wife is about to have a baby. Do you have a room? I'm so sorry. All our rooms are filled with guests across the country. What I have is only our stable. Thank you so much. We will take it.
Mary and Joseph settled down on the hay in a stable with the sleeping animals.
Sometime later, more people came to visit. Among them were 3 wise men who knew the secret of the stars. They followed the star and reached the stable where Jesus was born.
They worshipped him. They also brought along with them a special gift for baby Jesus.
Because you are the King of Kings, I bring you gold. Because you are the Son of God, I bring you frankincense. Because you are the Savior of the world, I bring you myrrh. As we see the twinkling Christmas lights, let us remember the star that led the wise men to seek the Savior. When we give and receive gifts, remember that the spirit of Christmas is the spirit of love, generosity, and goodness. We should keep this feeling alive within our hearts, not only during this season, but throughout our lives.